We do good deeds, we do bad deeds. We are human beings. We should be having more good deeds than bad deeds. And that makes a good human. Subhanallah. Allah Almighty knows that you're a human being, and Allah Almighty knows that you will falter, but Allah Almighty expects you to do so many good deeds that they have drowned the bad. They are much more than the bad that you have done. Then you're considered a good person. If you faltered a few times in your life and you predominantly do a lot of good news to you. But if you do a lot of bad and sometimes you do a few good deeds, then you have to work on yourself. The gift of Allah Almighty for all of us is that He doesn't just judge us based on one thing. Like, if you've ever done bad, that's it. If you'd like to recover from your loss, stop comparing your lives with the lives of others. Don't compare. You want to really look at the lives of others, look at those who have been through more than you, who have struggled more than you, who have actually been through so much, yet they are happier than you and more content. Look at them. You look at someone, you say, this man, subhanallah, his whole business burnt down, and he's sitting or he's standing in salah, and he has a smile on his face, and his whole business burnt